Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Twisted and I saw some massive tornadoes in the Hibbing area. Sadly, I was not able to get the width of these tornadoes, but they were still pretty big. So let's get right into it. Just loaded up here in Twisted. We got ourselves a nice day, 7,000 cape. After a little bit of server hopping, we finally got 6,300 cape right now. It's a 7,005 cape day. Because of how clear outside it is, I'm thinking this could be a an overperform. Yeah, I have no idea why I spawned in Starbuck. It was not by choice. Just get my I'm gonna start with the charger. When there's like a tornado in the intercept, I'll switch to an interceptor. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to charger. Yeah, we have a storm. I'm glad I saw that. Yeah, look at that nice storm over there. Nicely developing. Now, hook's gonna be down here. Just keep going. Ooh, yeah, that's a horrible mezzo. That is a trash mezzo. Oof. Highly doubting that. Yeah, I highly doubt that's gonna even do anything. There it is. It's like impossible to see. This, if anything, will hit Hibbing and become like a really like weird stovepipe. I think it's on the ground. The humidity it's pretty dang low visibility right now for a day like this. Oh, it shifted back north. Did it? Yeah, the warning says it shifted back north. 5-0, overperform. Let's go. I love my overperforms. Oh, a red TVS. I don't see it though. Yeah, I'm gonna see it. Oh, it like lifted. It's a floater. Yeah, it's a floater. It's a floater stovepipe. That's very interesting. Okay, I'm gonna get my Dom 3 because I don't think this storm's gonna produce an EF5. If it does, I got 2 probes. Oh, we're at Funkley. The moment I saw that gas station, I realized we're in Funkley. Okay, maybe we have to go up here. Oh, jeez. I'm not following the roads today. Is it becoming a big fat? No, it's becoming a sidewinder. Jeez. Oh, another storm inside this one. Oh, another mezzo right behind this one. Ooh. It looks pretty big. It looks bigger than this one at least. Anything's better than this one. This one is big. It's a big rotation. It's actually not huge. It's a nice, decent rotation. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that one is big. This is the type of rotation I see that drops a pretty good tornado. Okay, this is supposed to go on this road. I'm gonna get Tiv 2 for this one. Just, because it's 7,000 cape day. Can't go wrong with a Tiv 2 on a 7,000 cape day. If this thing could shift south and just core Hibbing, that's like a mile wind field. Actually, probably under a mile. Ooh. Okay, the farm's starting to get just a little damaged. Just a little. Okay, this is the type of tornado that hits Hibbing. It forms out here. You think it's not until it does. But the farm's just a little bit damaged. You know what I mean? Just like a little bit. They can repair, It's fine. It's fine. They're good. They're okay. Well, that's a hook grower already. Jeez. Jeez, that is huge roots. This looks like a root. This looks like a tree root. I think I'm gonna drop it down right here. That might have been too late. No, I'm actually starting to get worried now. That might have been way too late. That is a fat tornado. Okay, I'm back to body shaming tornadoes. I did that in the last video I attempted to make in Twisted. Uh-oh. That was a little off. I was just a little off, okay? I was just a little off. Just a 2.4 mile wide, Jesus Christ. That's actually big. It's fast too. Do you see like the motion? The fast motion? I went in the wrong spot, but you can't blame me for that either. It was pretty big. It looks like a 7,000 Cape tornado. The average 7,000 Cape tornado. Tor E, maybe? Maybe Tor E. I don't know. It's pretty big. I am getting a quick drone shot. This may cost me my life. Wait. I spot something very weird. Why is that side of the house damaged, but that side isn't? I'm gonna get another drone shot because that's cool. Yeah, it looks just under a mile territory. I need to get the Hibbing tower right in this one too. Ah, perfect. That's actually perfect. Since you're on the weakening trend and all you would hit is Starbuck, and I don't care about Starbuck because they don't have EF5. Tornado galore right now on the 7,000 Cape day. I'm just gonna park it right here. It drops a tornado right there. Look at that. What if that's the tornado of the day? I mean, this is probably the tornado of the day. Yeah, it got smaller. This one has Hibbing potential. I strongly believe this has Hibbing potential. Ooh, it's pink. Wait. It's pink? Shoot. Like, I gotta take this seriously. Ooh, dude. Okay, that has mild potential. I tell you, that has mild potential. Oh, the tower collapsed. The tower's gone. The tower's gone. The tower's gone. Like, the entire thing's gone. I cannot drive. If I had the regular skill to drive, I'd be a pet of this. Jeez, that is insanely wide. A Tori, this thing is Tori from Ispa. Why am I getting screen shake? What are you doing? Stop. 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 Jeez. Dude, that is a wide tornado. Jeez, that is a huge tornado. This thing got a Tori too. Good lord. Tornado 3 was almost a good mile wide. Alright, so we're back in the mini damage assessment. From the tree debarking side of things, I see trees that are debarked basically everywhere as far as the eye can see, basically. I need to see it, like where it went. It did go over the lake, right? Yeah. I don't see any visible ground scarring. So yeah, on this road, no visible ground scarring, which is kind of strange considering that this tornado was quite powerful. I got 140, not even near the center of the tornado. I know where the ground scarring might be. Somewhere over there, but I can't see that until the daytime.